Welcome to the third video in our series on Eric Sloane's Diary of an Early American Boy. In this video, my dad and I will show you how to make a quill pen similar to the one Noah used to write in his diary.
Eric Sloane illustrated how to make a quill pen in the Diary of an Early American Boy book. We'll be following his instructions for this project. For the first step, you will mark a curve at the bottom of the quill on the feather. Cut that curve using an X-Acto knife or another sharp craft-type knife. If you're a younger person, please ask for an adult to give you a hand on this stage of the project.
Using your knife, carefully cut a curved shape out of the quill. By the way, this is where the term penknife came from. Once you have cut the curved shape on the quill, you'll need to clean out the inside of the quill. By the way, this bottom part of a feather is called a quill, and that is where the term quill pen comes from.
In the final step, you will carefully shape a nib at the end of the quill. Use your knife to cut a shape similar to the one in Eric Sloane's Diary of an Early American Boy. The nib is shaped to your tastes. A fatter nib will make a wider pen stroke, where a narrow nib will make a narrower pen stroke. The nib is the only part of the pen that actually touches the paper.
Here again is Eric's illustration from Diary of an Early American Boy.
The last step of this project is to use your knife to make a small incision from the nib that you had made earlier up through the quill, approximately 1/4 of an inch in length.
In our next video, we will show you how to make your own homemade ink for your quill pen. Thanks for watching!